When I have bananas and fish, everyone in the house asks me for this recipe. For this recipe, we'll need 3 bananas. Next, cut the bananas into slices, just like I'm doing. Once the bananas are sliced, add olive oil and a dessert spoon of butter to a frying pan. Let the butter melt and add the bananas. When they are golden brown on the underside, you can turn them over so that they brown on the other side. Once the bananas are golden, set them aside. In a saucepan, add a tablespoon of butter and then olive oil. Let the butter melt. Now add a chopped onion and 3 cloves of finely chopped garlic. Let them fry for a minute. Then add a generous tablespoon of wheat flour. Stir well until all the flour is dissolved in the butter. Once this is done, add 400 ml of milk and continue stirring. When it's well thickened, add salt to taste, half a teaspoon of nutmeg and black pepper to taste. Stir to combine all the ingredients and then add 200 grams of cream cheese. Keep stirring to combine the ingredients and our cream is ready. Let's set it aside. Next, season 800 grams of fish with salt. Also add lemon pepper and black pepper to taste. Spread the seasoning over the fish very well. Next, add olive oil to a frying pan, half a tablespoon of butter, and let the butter melt. Once this is done, add the fish fillets. Let the fillets brown nicely. Grill the rest of the fish in the same way. Once the fish is well grilled, transfer it to a platter. Place the fish fillets in a row. Look how delicious it is. This fish is mouth-watering. To make it even better, squeeze in half a lemon. Add chopped parsley to taste. Then add the grilled bananas too. Now we can add our cream. And let's finish with some grated mozzarella cheese on top. Now put it in the oven for 20 minutes to brown. Now just serve it up. How would you rate this recipe? So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye bye.